This 2565T5 EP mechanical basin mixer has been specifically designed to meet the challenges of hygiene, safety and comfort in healthcare facilities. A 205mm drop height and 170mm spout length optimise hand washing and prevent bacteria splashing back onto the spout. It's also suitable for installing terminal filters for curative or preventative measures. The long ergonomic lever was designed to meet the needs of nursing staff or people with reduced mobility. It can be controlled without any manual contact using the elbow, wrist or forearm. Also, with infection control in mind, the insides of this mixer and spout are completely smooth, so there's nowhere for a biofilm to establish, and it's easy to treat. It's also fitted with a BIOSAFE hygienic spout outlet. The smooth interior has nowhere for impurities to adhere, which reduces bacterial development considerably. This mixer, like all mixers in the healthcare range, has a maximum temperature limiter, which prevents users from scalding themselves. It also has a specific cartridge with pressure balancing, which avoids the inescapable pressure variations in the system that inevitably lead to temperature variations which can be significant. This mixer has another advantage in that the pressure balancing cartridge has increased anti-scalding safety. If the cold water supply fails, the hot water flow reduces, so the user is not scalded. In addition, this mixer has a thermal shock function. Thermal shocks are common in the fight against Legionella. They are easy to action. There's a small red button behind the lever that can be pressed with a pointed tool to switch to the maximum hot water temperature position without having to remove the lever or shut off the water supply. In our range of tall mixers, there's a wide choice of other mixers with different heights and various spout lengths to equip wash basins or sinks. These mixers meet the French medical standard, and most of them are certified.